In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E2 quickly and easily. This is a common problem that can appear when launching Steam or starting a game, and it usually happens because Steam processes are stuck in the background, permissions are limited, or some game files are corrupted. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix, and I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you should follow to solve it. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Even if the Steam window looks closed, some background processes may still be running and causing the E2 error. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You may see processes called Steam, Steam Client Web Helper, or Steam.exe. Click on each Steam-related process and then click End Task to close them completely. This ensures Steam is fully shut down and not stuck in the background. After you've closed all Steam processes, the next step is to run Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam does not have the permissions it needs to start properly, which can trigger error code E2. To do this, find the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. Windows may show a permission prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Steam will now launch with full administrative permissions, which often resolves this error immediately. Now, if the error code E2 appears when you try to launch a specific game from your Steam library, there's another fix you should try. Corrupted or missing game files can sometimes trigger this issue. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the error. Right-click on the game title and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab. Then click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all the installed game files and compare them with the official versions on Steam's servers. If any files are missing or damaged, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely. Once the verification is done, try launching the game again and the error should be resolved. Those are the most effective ways to fix Steam error code E2. Usually ending stuck Steam processes, running Steam as administrator, or verifying the integrity of your game files will solve the problem right away. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.